In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use big screen in OBS. So OBS is fantastic free software that allows you to upload streams to YouTube, to Facebook Live, to a whole lot of different services. And you can download it for free from obsproject.com. And yeah, so basically there's a couple of ways you can do it in big screen. You can do, I'm going to show you how to do two. The first one is screen capture, and that gives you the full output from a front end into OBS. So what I've got here, I've got a screen to the left of me. I'm just going to create a front end, drag it over and make it full screen. And these are my windows. I'm just going to, for this example, I'm going to center this text. I might make it a little bit bigger. It's not quite centered because I've pushed it down. Yeah. Okay. So we've got our lyrics there, and I want to load it into OBS. So over in OBS, I'm going to create a new scene, and this is going to call it capture. Whoa. Okay. And for the source that I'm going to load a source into the capture here. It's going to be a window capture source. So I'm going to grab that, and then I'm going to choose the front end output as what I'm going to be capturing. So that's loaded in there. Now it captures the full screen, or the full size of that window. So that screen is actually a 16:10 screen. So I'm just going to crop off the top and the bottom there so it's in the middle. Depending on your screen, you may, and your OBS settings really, this is set up to stream at 720p. You could change that to 1080 or whatever you want for your settings, but for this example I'm just using 720. And now that that's there, as I click through, you'll see that that's how it would be streaming straight up. So you've got images showing, you've got scriptures, everything works just the same. You could have a camera feed come in through a webcam, or a mobile phone or another device, and that gives you the full experience. That works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and you're good to go. The other way that I wanted to show you is a bit more experimental, and it's something we've been working on, and it's using the browser feature in OBS. So what I'm going to do is I've got this scene here. It's just got an image in it. Just going to put it in. It could be anything. Could be a video feed. Could be anything you want. You could create scenes for different cameras, whatever you want. But what I'm going to show you is a browser window on top of the content. And that means it'll have a transparent background. So your lyrics could be at the bottom of the screen. You can do whatever you want with it. So let's just adjust the lyric position. So put the song text to the bottom, and I'll make it a little bit smaller. And I might do the same with the scripture, and we'll put it to the bottom as well. So we've got our scripture like that. Okay, so then the next thing I need to do is I need to change the theme that the front end output's going to use to have a transparent background, because otherwise it'll just show the same blue background over it. So I'm just editing the theme for this location, and I brought the background transparency down to nothing. So okay, we're good to go now. So the next step is to go to settings and generate a front-end output URL. This will generate a URL that you can just paste straight into OBS, and then you can use it without having to do any other setup. So if I go back to OBS and create a browser source and paste that into here, and I'm going to set the size to 720p and just go OK. So as you can see, it's picked up that browser source straight away, and if I click through the lyrics, they will show straight up on that source. The images again will show as well, scriptures as we want them to, and videos will also work. At the moment, the remote display doesn't use the cache client, so it does use bandwidth to get the images and the videos. So just what you're best to do is to play through the video beforehand to make sure that it's cached there. So that is how you can use big screen in OBS. Please contact us if you've got any questions or any suggestions. We love to hear from you. And have a great day. Bye.